Hello, I'm Shinmai. How are you today? Today, I'd like to show you how to count numbers from 1 to 100 in Japanese in 10 minutes. Let's start. It helps to use your body when you memorize something. Please copy gestures as we learn numbers today. But I don't have fingers, so please see my friend's gestures. 1. Make your fingers as one and copy this gesture. Why are you doing it? Because of ichi. 1 in Japanese is ichi. Actually, ichi. 2. Make your fingers as 2 and copy this gesture. What is it? You are walking. What do you call here? It's knee. 2 is knee. Actually, ni. Move on to 3. Use your 3 fingers and copy this gesture. And point on the sky. What do you have in the sky? You will see the sun. 3 is sun. San in Japanese. 4. Use your 4 fingers. When do you use this gesture? When you yawn. 4 is yawn. 4. 5. Use 5 fingers. What does this gesture mean? When you say go, you might use this gesture. 5 is go. Actually, go. How much do you remember numbers in Japanese so far? How about 3? 3. How about 1? 1. How about 4? 4. Next 2. Use 2 fingers and walking. So, ni. And 5. Go. So, go. Let's move on 6 to 10. 6. Use 5 fingers and 1 finger. You insert 1 finger to another hand. Now you lock the key. 6 is lock. Actually, 6. 7. Use 5 fingers and 2 fingers. Make 5 fingers as a blanket and 2 fingers as a body. Who might do it? Of course, Mom, but let's say Nana today. 7 is nana, nana. 8. Use 4 fingers and 4 fingers. If your hands describe an egg, then what this gesture mean? It's hatch. 8 is hachi, hachi. 9. Make a ball with your 5 fingers and hit the ball with your 4 fingers. When you play the pool, what do you use to hit the ball? That's cue. So 9 is cue, cue. Last, 10. Use both of your hands and eat watermelon. Watermelon is so juicy. 10 is juicy, but actually ju, ju. Do you get Japanese numbers from 1 to 10? How about 7? That's nana. How about 9? Cute. How about 8? Hachi. And 6? Roku. And 10. Ju. Now you remember 1 to 10, so which means you can count 1 to 99 now. 11 in Japanese, 11, 11, which means 1 of 10 and 1 for one's place. How about 12? Can you guess? Yes, 12, 1 of 10 and 2 for one's place. Next, 13. It is 13, 13. Then just going on, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay then, how about 20? 2 of 10. So 20 is 20. 21, 2 of 10 and 1. So 21 is 21. Do you get it? Reading Japanese numbers is the same as you are writing digits. For example, 55. In tens place, you write 5, so 5, 10. Then for ones place, you write 5. Therefore, 55 is 5, 15. So then, how about 99? 9 of 10, 90, and 9, 9. 99 in Japanese is 99. Okay then, what's 100? That's 100 100 When listing large numbers, it is good practice to separate every 3 digits with a comma. After 1, 10, 100, 1000, there is a unit for every 1000, that is, every 3 digits. Thousand, million, billion. Therefore, in English, it is very easy to read large numbers when the numbers are separated by threes. However, Japanese uses the numeric system that is divided into 4 digits. After 1, 10, 100, and 1000, units are separated by every 4 digits. 100,000 in Japanese is 10万, 10万, which means 10 of 10,000. So, when you handle large numbers and read in Japanese, you might change commas into Japanese way to read easier. Or just take time to get used to reading large numbers in Japanese. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.